In the name of all, good evening. Today is Tuesday, time in Sydney, Australia. Right now, as you can see on the corner here, is 17 minutes past 11 p.m. Date is 11th of February 2025. Tonight, I look at the chart and I found some level for you guys. And we are going through this and I show you how we trade. Before I do that, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this, and then I go to the chart. And last night I look at the chart for Euro USD, everything on 15 minutes time frame, and this is the screenshot from Monday night Sydney time. As you can see here, time was 11 o'clock again last night. Date was on the 10th. Okay, and today is on 11. I did this screenshot for you, and I didn't have time, and I was tired. I didn't want to make the video. I just mark it up, and then tonight, now I'm gonna go through all this and explain to you guys how we do it. For Euro USD, on Monday night Sydney time about 11 o'clock last night, the price was here, and I make those level, and I indicate that level is going to go down to this here, and then when it comes to the buying zone, if we get the signal to buy, then we can buy it to this level of 1.02813, and if the price pass this level of 1.03155 going to the selling zone, then we can sell it to this level. So I gave you two indications. If the market goes to our zone, first in buying zone, what we do, and when is on the selling zone, what we do. And eventually market has to go and touch this level, because this level is very strong and it's got a gravity. Eventually market would pull to this level. That was for Euro USD, and this is the screenshot. As you can see, date and time is here. So we go to Euro USD in chart just to see what happened. Euro USD. Let me show you the screenshot again. Okay. When we make the screenshot, the price was here. The price was here, and still this is valid, and these levels are still valid. We need to see the price, which is here right now, coming down past this level, these two levels, coming to our buying zone, this area. If this price coming to this area of the buying zone, if we get a signal like this little arrow here in this area, this is our indication. This indicator is unique, as I have explained to you before, that my partner, he made those one. When we get a signal in this area of the buying zone, then we can buy it to this level. 70% of the time when market hit the level, we have to get out of the trade in profit. If we are greedy, 70% of the time market bounce going down, and then it would hit your stop loss. If you want to be safe, you just move your stop loss to this level and let it go. If it hit back, so you wouldn't lose that much. And if market continue going up, coming to our selling zone, and if we get an arrow like this, we can sell it to this level, which is 1.03115. The screenshot would show you better. 1.03115. This is the screenshot from last night, and today this is the live chart, and that is today. This is last night that I made a screenshot. So this is still valid, so we are hoping if we get a signal, then we can sell it. We need to get a small red signal in this area to sell to this level. That is for Euro USD. Then we got Euro Australia. Let me find a Euro Australia for you. This is Euro Australia, and that was the screenshot again. As you can see, time was 11:10 p.m. Date is 10th of February. Last night I make this prediction, and if the price come into our buying zone, if price come down past this level, come into this area of the buying zone, if we get a signal, we can buy it to this level. Again, if you are in the trade, you have to know a couple of things. First, when you hit the level, you have to get out of the trade immediately. Otherwise, you're going to lose, because 70% of the time market bounce and go back down and eventually go back up again. If market did not bounce and continue going up past this level, coming to our buying and selling zone, then we can sell it to this level. That was for Euro Australia. This is the screenshot from last night. Let's go to Euro Australia. The screenshot from here, let me see what happened. As I have predicted last night, the price came past this level, come into this area. Look at the screenshot, please. Look at this area I make, that arrow. Let's show you. Exactly in this area, market bounce and go up. Okay. Why I did not enter to the trade? For a couple of reasons. First, that was on the middle of the night and I did not even look at it, and I wasn't at the computer. Second, I did not have a signal, which is our signal here, those signal which from our indicator that we have. We did not have any signal here to buy to this level. As mentioned before, 70% of the time market hit the level, it would bounce back down again. Here we had a signal. This one was right in the beginning of the day in Sydney time, when market New York closed, then Sydney opened. In the beginning of the day, as you can see, we had an arrow to buy to this level. What I do is this. When we have a signal, when we enter to the trade, this is the trade. What we do, we put a stop loss close to the first resistance. This is support, sorry. And if price coming past your support, which is this one, you do not close the trade immediately. No. You have to see what's going to happen to the next candlestick. If the next candlestick still is red, then you close it on loss, and then you will wait for another signal to enter to the trade. What do I mean with this? First, market when hit the level. Okay, in this scenario, market hit the level and then did not close. Why? Because bid price and ask price, which is these two line, probably it was far away. That's why the platform automatically they don't close the trade. If we are on the trade, manually we can close it. If you are not at the computer, if you leave it profit loss and stop loss, then automatically platform would close it. But if it's too many order and your bid price and ask price, you see this red line and blue line, this is bid price and ask price. If this one is far from the level, the platform would not close the trade, although it hit the profit, but it would not. And eventually, the price close here, and then it would. This is the trade with the profit. Let me put it tick. That was correct. Market came back, bounced again, and now it's gone up. So what we are waiting now? If the price coming to our selling zone, okay, and then if we get a signal to sell, we can sell it to this level. Okay, so this one done for the buy. We are waiting for the price coming to selling zone, then we can sell it if it's in this area, and if we get a signal to sell, a small red signal like this kind in this area, if we get, then we can sell it to this level. Okay, this is for Euro Australia. Then pound USD. Let me show you the pound USD. This is pound USD, and this is a screenshot from last night. As you can see, time and date, and I predict if the price come into this area of buying zone, if we get a signal in this area, we can buy it to this level. 70% of the time, again and again, market would bounce back down again. If you are in the trade, you have to close the trade with a profit, otherwise you're going to lose, and you have to wait for another opportunity for recovery in case. And if price going past this line, coming to the selling zone, if we get a signal like this through the indicator we have, then we can sell it to this level. So that was for pound USD. This is the screenshot from last night. Let's go to the pound USD. So pound USD, when we make the screenshot, is it this one? No, the pound USD screenshot is this one. You see this candlestick, this big one is here. Okay, that was last night. This candlestick on the screenshot I show you is this one. Okay, 1.23851. It was on this level. Okay, and then what we have said is this: if price coming past these two level, coming to our buying zone, which market came, and then we had a signal to buy, and this was today. We had a signal to buy. When you enter to the trade for this level, you put the virtual stop loss here, not actually stop loss, just put a stop loss line, and if price hit the level, and if you are not at the computer, and if the platform does not close your trade with a profit, which normally happen, and market would come, that's happened to me, market came and hit my stop loss. So what happened is this: when you put the red line under the first support, if the price coming past your stop loss and is red, you do not close the trade in loss immediately. No, you will wait for the second candlestick to see. If the second candlestick is red, then you close it on loss, which is this one happened. Close it on loss, and then you will wait for another opportunity for recovery. So we had another signal here. Okay, we enter to the trade, we put a virtual stop loss here again, and then we will wait to see what happened. Market went up and hit the level, and then we came with a profit. Okay, this is happening. Let me tick that one. As you can see, again, I'll show you this. As you can see here, market came down and now bounced back up again. So even in this scenario, okay, look at this. Market hit the level, did not close. The platform did not close the trade, right? Bang, down, and then up. So if I wanted to have actual stop loss here, definitely this one would close it in the last two, but we will wait for the second candlestick. The first candlestick is red, you do not close the trade. You will wait for the second candlestick. If this one is red, then you close it like what I did here. If this one is red, then you close it on loss. But if this one is green, either you can enter again for the second entry or leave the trade, goes to the level that you want. Now price is here. So the second opportunity for us is here. If price come in and pass this level of 1.23851 and come into the selling zone, and then if we get a signal to sell like this, we can sell it to this level. Okay, this is for the pound USD. I do have other trade, other level as well, but if this I'm going to continue this video is going to get long. I'm not going to explain about those, so I don't want to make the video so long. I might make a second video to make a short video. So before I go, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this. And as I have predicted for 3 pair, 2 of them came true. So please look after yourself and your family. As I always say, in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.